Hello viewers, if you want to use Moomoo for paper trading, so today I'm going to tell you how to paper trade on Moomoo. So let's get started. First access the paper trading section. For this, open the Moomoo application or visit the Moomoo website. Here look for the paper trade tab or section. If you found, then activate your paper trading account. Once you enter the paper trading environment, activate your account, then you will receive virtual funds up to 10 million to practice trading without real money. You can now place a trade, select the stock market you want to trade in, and enter the asset symbol, trade direction, you can buy or sell, then enter price, quantity, and amount. Then confirm your order and tap buy or sell. You can also track your trades. After placing orders, you can view your assets, positions, transaction, and fund details. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.